Hello sa inyo mga kalots, and we are back again with another video na naman na kung saan tayo maglalaro na isang game na pinamagatan na Paranormal Entities. Natanggalin ko mga headset. So maglalaro tayo ng game na pinangalanan na Paranormal Entities, at yes, isa tong PC horror game, at ngayon pala ako maglalaro nito ng isang PC game na syempre matagal kong pinangarap laruin, okay? At papansin yung buhok ko, nakakabanas, okay? So you are Cliff, a college student who is a brand new freelance cameraman for the show Paranormal Entities, the number 2 rated ghost investigation show on the Hunting and Outdoor Cable Network. You have been hired to inspect the St. Augustine Asylum for the mentally ill. You will go into this facility, follow the producer's instruction through a radio earpiece. Keep your camera on and try to make contact with the spirit inside. If nothing happens, you will get $500 for your time. If you manage to get some amazing footage of real paranormal activity on your camera. Okay, let's go. Oh, delay.
Cliff, welcome to the St. Augustine's Asylum for the Mentally Ill.
Thank you.
Mr. Tom said good things about you. In your backpack is a flashlight, a voice recorder, an EMF, and a couple of little fun occult things. We'll let you know when to take those out. Ready to pay off some of those college debts and beer tabs? Well, of course you are.
Of course,
And when
lahat
you're ready,
naman tayo
enter
eh.
in through those front doors.
Front door. Ah, this one? Oh. Open the door. Open sesame. There you go.
Nice, the door was unlocked. It can get a little
Sheesh,
sticky
this
sometimes.
place.
So here's the story behind the St. Augustine's Asylum for the
Ah, may
Mentally Ill.
story.
It was founded in the 1880s, closed in the 1960s, and a lot of nasty stuff happened here. I mean, this place is only supposed to house around 500 patients, but at its
100,
peak,
okay.
it was around 3,300 patients in here.
Ha?
And the place
3,300?
was, you know, less of a hospital, more of a place where you dropped your problems off and hope they disappeared.
Oh, she. 3,300 yung final patients. Ganun ba? I can't freaking imagine that.
This is where
Oh,
the 100
maganda.
hallways patients would convene, and we heard that the patients pre-1920 actually received decent care. Then the war hit, the depression hit, and then the budgets all
Depression.
fell apart. The room you stand in once healed 20 patients in need of attention. By the end, 150 patients have passed through this room, naked, starving, attacking each other at random, flaying themselves with metal wires from their beds. Be careful where you step.
150 ang namatay dito sa room na to mismo. Etong nasa harapan ko. Are you telling me na ganun karami yung mga pasyente dito? Nani daw, what? Sige, simulan natin to.
Alright, this is a good place to start. I want you to take out your voice recorder,
Prese.
and I'll hopefully be able to awaken this place. Okay, spirits of St. Augustine, please reveal your presence to us. Show us that you are in this room.
Okay.
Feel free to interact with anything or speak to us. Use your words, use your voice, and let us know that you're here.
Okay, play that back. Go.
Okay, play that back.
Ay! Same kami na sinabi!
Just know that you're here.
Sorry nanonood ako ng video ni Kuya Chris dati. Nothing? Low?
Nothing. Alright, let's try that again.
Okay, try again. Oh, this one. Let's
Alright,
go.
let's try this. Ghosts of St. Augustine, please let us know that you are still in this hospital. I give you permission to reveal yourself. I give you permission to come to life.
Nox,
Just
come
give
to
us a
life?
sign that
Wow.
you're here.
Nox.
Tell us where you are. Speak to us now into this microphone.
Eh, ayaw nga makipag-usap.
Alright,
Ba't ba pinipilit mo yung multo?
Now into this microphone.
Balik. Kahit sino, mababanas sa'yo. Pag ako naging multo, mababanas din ako sa'yo eh. Okay. O, dito.
Ghosts of St. Augustine, you're all a bunch of ghoulish pricks.
No!
Show up or piss off. Whoa, did you hear that? Play that back, play that back.
No.
Pricks, show up.
Seryoso? Di ko alam kung kaya ko pa ituloy ito. Shit.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Tuwang-tuwa ka pa. Pasalamat ka. Hindi ikaw yun nandito.
Alright, I want you to go down the morgue hallway.
Morgue
And
hallway.
we're going to continue our investigation in the other gathering area.
More hallway O, sige. Sige, dun tayo. Ito ba? More hallway. Wait, basahin natin nakasulat. Morgue. Okay, ito. More hallway. Let's go.
Okay, of the 4 areas you need to visit to fulfill your contract, the E-Social area is the first on the list. This is the area where the inmates who are deemed a danger to society would
Danger
convene.
to sight.
You'll go to this room and perform a summoning
Yun,
ceremony.
tinanggal yung mata
So walk into the center and we will begin.
At magsasama ng ritual tayo. Like, seryoso ba tong lalaking to? Ha?
This is the entrance to patient cells 200 to 219.
200 to
Talking extreme
219.
bipolarism, schizophrenia, dementia. Not necessarily
Schizophrenia,
dangerous,
dementia.
but it can be a
makasakit sa
challenge
utak.
for society. Dang, the door's locked.
Schizophrenia kasi nagkakaroon ng hallucinations. Mga ganun. While ang dementia naman, dinadamage yung utak mo. So, pwedeng, yun nga, nagkaka siya ng kabaliwan. Ganun. Parang ako lang.
Including Clive the Peeper Johnson.
Who's that
You'd think
Clive?
he would be a pervert with a nickname the Peeper, but the truth
The
is far
Peeper.
worse. He was extremely
Maninilip.
manipulative and very intelligent. He was a
Ay, sorry.
who gouged their own eyes out with metal wires and even their own fingernails. He came here due to legal loopholes, and when the facility went off the rails and the doctor stopped caring, he jumped into action. The patients who didn't listen were tortured, and the ones who did wandered around the facility, blind, screaming, and in constant fear. This door's locked too. Let's just start the ceremony.
Gouge out the eyes. Seryoso. Ha? Like, seryoso ka? Ay. Kasama ng ritual. Oh, ito na.
Spirits inside this
Oh,
asylum,
shit. Yo, ano ganito?
we release you from your restraints. Come forward and live again. This person
You do
is no
realize
longer
demonyo
shielded from the realm of the
sinasamon mo,
dead.
right?
You may be seen, interact, and
Yes.
manipulate him in any way as you see fit.
Oh, shit. You don't summon the patient, you summon the demon. Okay? So, nagbukas sa pinto. Ah, ito.
Just stand there. Go check it out.
Oh, ito na! Takot nga ako eh. Ba? Napansin ka rin eh, no? Lock, 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 and lock. And, uy, shemay. Okay, never mind. Not gonna go in there. Bahala ka sa buhay. Oh, this one's lock. Oh, nasige na privacy. Oh, nasige na ito. Bibigay ko, nasige na. No, 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 no. Uy, ano yun? May aso? Ano yan? Ano yun? Kung makatahol naman kayo, kala nyo naman. Hindi na pala. Hindi na pala. Hindi na. Sige na. Hindi na. Hindi na nga eh. Hindi na muli. Shit. Sa wakas, ate, we finally meet. Okay? Non-dream lang kita ma-meet. Ngayon, nandito na ako sa harapan mo. Should come. Ay! Takbo na! Uy, nagwawala na siya. Death, Cararamount, Peeper, no eyes. Okay, sure. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna go. No, I'm just gonna go home.
Alright, get out of this hallway and take your second
Of
right.
course I will, okay? Aalis na ako dito. Hindi ko na kaya to. Like, seryoso.
Door's locked. Damn it. Oh, okay. There's a staircase.
Staircase.
Take the staircase
Maliit lang ang
up
pinto
to the
nun.
second floor,
Okay, maliit lang ang staircase.
And you should
Ito.
be next
Ito,
to
nakita ko
a
na.
fire escape. You should be able to get out that way. So
Okay.
go up the staircase.
Noted ko, yeah. Sige, noted. Tol, ba't kalmado ka pa rin sa sitwasyon na to? Ayaw mo ba tumakbo? What? Oh, shit, may nakalock. Ay no, fire escape oh. Anong gagawin ko? Babalik? Oh,
Okay, we need to. Let's go get something to pry this door open. Go back downstairs. I bet you
Downstairs.
there was something downstairs we could probably use.
okay, eto. Nakalock. I'm not trusting this one. But sure.
Hold on. That staircase wasn't there before.
Wait,
This
ano?
place doesn't even have a basement. What is going on?
Ano
Alright,
nangyari?
just... I don't think you got any
Maybe
other choice.
we're gonna find
You
a
gotta
key?
make your way
Ganun?
downstairs.
Okay, how's this one? Lock? Sunod ito, nakalock pa din to. Lagi naman eh. Wala naman yata nakabukas dito eh. I'm not really into this is not what I signed for. Okay, this is not. Okay, lock. I mean, pretty much lahat naman nakalock dito eh. Ayun o, lock. Baliw! Huwag kang ano. Baliw ka ba? Baluga ka eh, no? Okay, there you go. Lock pa din. Eto, lock pa din to. Matik. Ay, wow! Hindi! Wow! For the first time! Sige. Okay, there you go, there you go. Naka-lock na. I got no choice, di ba? Wala na akong choice, kundi bumalik na lang. Okay. I'm having a bad feeling in here, pero sige sure. Okay, this one's unlocked. Puta ka! Sanity ko. Aray ko. Bakit ko dun ah? Okay, sure. Now you know bakit hindi ako pwede sa psychological horror game, okay? This is the reason. Shit. Sakit ng ulo ko dun ah. Woo! Sure. Sige. There you go. Wala pa din. Wala pa din. Presa na tayo! Okay, ano mga nakasulat? Don't see, no eyes, no eyes, no eyes, don't see. Yeah, pretty much paulit-ulit na pinagsasabi niya. Sige, sure. Wait, there's a dripping blood. There's a dripping blood? Kala ko meron. Hoy! Huwag ka na! Huwag ka na! No! No! Don't be like that to me. Bukod sa gumagapang yun ang weakness ko, alam mo yun?
Alright, confession time.
Confession? Oh,
It's
what is
about
it?
the eyes. I kinda hid this from you. There's an urban legend, and I repeat, it's an urban legend about the peeper, Clive Johnson. You see, there was
The
a patient
peeper,
who
si
suffered
Clive.
from dementia and swore that Clive was more than just a mere man. And he would kind of haunt this patient all throughout the day. You know, rampant
Haunt the
hallucinations.
patient.
Progressively got
Ang
worse,
rin
but
mo.
at night he never saw the peeper. Then he discovered that if he closed his eyes, he could escape Clive. But whenever he opened them, Clive would be there, waiting for him and getting closer and closer. Eventually, the patient used a fork and he blinded himself. And while he was soaked in his blood from his sockets, he screamed to the entire hospital that he was free, he was safe. And a week later, 2 more patients charged Clive with stalking them, even though he was confined to solitary. I mean, it's crazy. They took their eyesights too. This pattern didn't stop. I thought it was BS, but based on what we've seen tonight, I'll pretty much believe anything. So, try to get the hell out of there, and if it gets too intense, try to shut your eyes.
Okay. So ganito. Ganito gagawin natin. Dito. So sabi is, tatanggalin daw yung mata. Tinanggal yung mata ng mga patient. They voluntarily did it. So it means that Clyde is a scary person. Okay? And now, I cannot picture him out yet, but okay, sure. Let's just go.
Damn flashlight broke. I can't use that anymore.
Okay. Yeah, it's dark. So dark. So dark. Did someone just call me? Dang, these dead bodies. Okay, so we got a cage there. Maybe we're gonna go back.
Closer.
Come closer.
I see you now.
Okay. 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 Tama nga ako. Nakakatakot nga itsura niya. Matangkad siya. Maitim. Hindi ko na nakita yung ibang parte ng mukha niya. Basta matangkad at maitim. Okay. No, that's enough to say. Oh, may sinasaksak na siya. That's enough to say na no. Okay. Okay, hi. Hello. Kamusta? Sana okay lang kayo. But yeah, nakakatakot ang itsura ni Clyde the Peeper. Sige, sige. He's a demon. Talagang may sa demonyo talaga tong si Clyde. Siguro kahit mabuhay pa to. Like, dang. Just run to. Dead end. Saan galing to? Pero, what is this?
Oh, crap.
May sungay!
You got a choice.
Tingnan niya hindi ko kukunin agad yan Hindi ko kukunin agad yan, Blade. Alam ko na, diba yan eh. Isa demon! Demonyo siya!
Holy crap, man.
Akala ko bang self-defense yun. Tinanggal niya yung mata niya.
Did that. You freaking gouged your eyes out with a scalpel. Are you alright? I know you're not, huh? Holy crap.
Sure, hindi ko
Alright,
mag-describe.
alright,
I
we're getting
can
a
describe
picture
that
from your
Clyde.
camera. Bad news is it's pitch black.
Pitch black.
There's no light.
I mean, ganun din ang
There's
nakikita
nothing
ako.
I can see. The flashlight went out, and we don't even know where you are. I'm not going in there. Are you going in there? I'm not going in there.
Uy!
Hell no.
Papabayaan niyo lang ako?
Look.
No way.
If you can't feel anything, I'm sorry.
I can walk though.
We're not coming. I'm sorry, man. I have to go. I'm sorry.
Ba't kasi pinurse niyo ako to go deeper? It's a sad ending, but it have a lot of good part then. Okay. And yeah. That's the video today. Grabe. Okay, so hopefully naman nag-enjoy ka din. Although, I feel sad sa ending dahil wala man lang magre-rescue sa atin. But hey, that game is so good. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa part ng video na to. Leave na lang kayo ng like sa baba kung na-enjoy nyo to. At kung hindi, ay okay lang naman yun sa akin. So, yeah. Alright tayo dyan. Palisin mo. Bufa.